Dinakdakan, a popular Ilocano dish, is a celebration of textures and flavors. This traditional Filipino dish is a true culinary masterpiece that showcases the rich heritage and innovative spirit of the Ilocano people. This appetizer-like delicacy features a medley of ingredients, each contributing to its unique appeal. From the freshest local produce to the carefully selected cuts of meat, every component plays a crucial role in creating the dish's distinctive character. Imagine tender grilled pig's ears, cheeks, and brains, all chopped into bite-sized pieces. These parts are meticulously prepared to ensure they achieve the perfect texture, balancing tenderness with a slight chewiness that makes each bite satisfying. These savory morsels are then tossed in a tangy and creamy dressing, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. The dressing is not just a simple mix. It is a carefully crafted blend that enhances the natural flavors of the meat while adding its own unique zest. The dressing itself is a testament to the Ilocano's resourcefulness. It is made using ingredients that are readily available, yet when combined, they create a complex and delightful flavor profile. It combines the tanginess of vinegar or calamansi juice with the richness of pig brain, creating a creamy emulsion that binds all the ingredients together. This emulsion is the heart of the dish, providing a smooth and luscious coating that ties everything together. Onions and ginger add a refreshing bite, while chili peppers provide a fiery kick that balances the richness of the dish. These ingredients are not just for flavor, they also add texture and color, making the dish visually appealing as well as delicious. But dinakdakan is more than just a delicious dish. It's a testament to the Ilocano's ingenuity and resourcefulness. It reflects a deep cultural tradition of making the most out of available resources and turning them into something extraordinary. Using every part of the pig, nothing goes to waste, reflecting a deep respect for the animal and the sustenance it provides. This practice of utilizing the whole animal is not only sustainable, but also a way to honor the life that nourishes us. The act of grilling the meat over charcoal imparts a smoky aroma that permeates the dish, adding another layer of complexity to its flavor profile. This smoky essence is a signature of many Filipino dishes, bringing a sense of warmth and comfort to every bite. Pinikpikan, a traditional Igorot dish, is not for the faint of heart. This unique culinary tradition hails from the mountainous Cordillera region of the Philippines, where the Igorot people have lived for centuries. This dish, often served during special occasions and rituals, involves a unique and somewhat controversial preparation method. It is deeply embedded in the cultural fabric of the Igorot community, symbolizing unity and reverence for their ancestors. It starts with a live chicken, carefully selected for the occasion. The selection process is meticulous, as the quality of the chicken is believed to significantly impact the final dish. The chicken is then lightly beaten with a stick, a process believed to enhance the flavor of the meat by releasing blood into the muscles. This method, though controversial, is thought to tenderize the meat and infuse it with a unique taste that is highly prized. Once the chicken is slaughtered, it is singed over an open fire to remove feathers, giving it a smoky aroma. This step not only cleans the chicken, but also imparts a distinct flavor that is integral to the dish. The meat is then chopped into pieces, bones and all, and simmered in a broth seasoned with salt, ginger, and sometimes itag, a traditional cured meat. The addition of itag adds a layer of complexity to the soup, enriching its flavor profile. The result is a rich and flavorful soup, often described as having a gamey taste. This hearty dish is a staple during communal gatherings, bringing people together to share in its unique flavors. The preparation method of pinikpikan has drawn criticism from animal welfare advocates. They argue that the practice is inhumane and call for more humane methods of food preparation. However, it's essential to understand the cultural context and significance of this dish for the Igorot people. For them, pinikpikan is more than just food. It is a symbol of their identity and heritage. For them, pinikpikan is not just a meal. It's a ritual, a way of connecting with their ancestors and celebrating their cultural heritage. It represents a deep-rooted tradition that has been passed down through generations, embodying the spirit and resilience of the Igorot people. Dinakdakan, beyond its culinary appeal, holds deep cultural significance for the Ilocano people and their way of life. It's a dish that brings people together, often served during fiestas, celebrations, and various gatherings. The communal act of preparing and sharing dinakdakan strengthens social bonds and fosters a deep sense of community. The dish also reflects the Ilocanos' resourcefulness and their ability to transform simple ingredients into something truly extraordinary. Dinakdakan embodies the spirit of bayanihan, a Filipino term that encapsulates the spirit of communal unity and cooperation. Just as the different ingredients harmonize to create a delicious whole, so too do the Ilocano people come together to celebrate their culture and traditions. The tradition of dinakdakan has been passed down through generations, with each family having its own unique twist on the cherished recipe. This culinary legacy ensures that the dish remains an integral part of Ilocano identity, connecting the present generation to their ancestors and their rich cultural heritage.